Hi guys, my name's Luke. Today we're going to be testing out Soudal's Genius gun against a traditional 25kg bag of drywall adhesive. Is it quicker and easier? Let's find out. So one of Soudal's claims of the product is that the 750ml canister can cover just as many plasterboards as a traditional 25kg drywall adhesive. So I love the idea of having this rather than hefting a 25kg bag around. Right, so that's 6 boards done with the Genius gun. That's a lot more than I thought we'd get. The application was really easy to use. I've had no tools to get out, nothing to mix up, no wet materials. A much quicker and easier and cleaner way of doing things. So now we'll get on with the 25kg drywall bag. So we got 4 boards with that bag. The pros of the Genius gun, it's a lot lighter, quicker, and it's got an hour drying time, so now we can plaster it or paint it near enough straight away. Right, so the 25kg bag, saw how long it took me with the extra tools and the extra mess as well. And now it'll take 3 to 6 hours to dry before we can do anything with it. Looking at the price, working it out by coverage, a can of Genius gun plasterboard adhesive is actually comparable to 25kg bag. However, there's an element of time, and as we all know, time is money. Let us know in the comments below what you prefer using.